how to use a synced block in Notion. So let's start off by just giving a quick description of what a synced block is. A synced block, or synchronized block, if you want to use the full name, is just a block that is linked to another block that displays information on both blocks simultaneously. So an example of that is if we go into the first example page, it says due on the 13th. And how you can tell that this is a synced block is because there's this red outline around here. So if we go to the second example, we'll see that this also says due on the 13th. So this is an example of how you would use a synced block. Let's say you want to display that a certain project or two projects are going to be due on the same day, and instead of going into each project, you can just add a synced block and have them display the same information. Now, from what I just explained, there is no real benefit to using a synced block if you're just gonna put it once, but sometimes deadlines change. So if I go to the synced block and I say, let's say the deadline changed from the 13th to the 16th, so it's changed to the 16th. If I go back to the first example, it's also changed to the 16th. So that's the main utilization of a synced block. If you have to change, or you foresee you might change something, you can use the synced block across multiple pages, or I guess we could call them workbooks or workstations or projects on your side panel. And yeah, you could, in order to create a synced block, what you can do is use the slash, and you can type, oops, totally forgot how to spell. Cool, we can scroll down here to synced block, and you'll see that a red outline has appeared. And then you can type whatever you want, and we can press this copy and sync. We can go back to the second example and we can paste it. I used Ctrl V, and that is a synced block.